I'm here at the W Hotel in Las Vegas. Here's my room number, 33909. And let me give you a little room tour. So when you first come in, there's a little half bathroom here. Let's see, what's this? Oh, it's another roll of toilet paper. All right, fancy. Okay, looks pretty nice. Then there's a living room. So this was a little disconcerting. That is not who I am. I'm Sue. Should I panic or what? This is kind of cool. On the TV they have an aquarium channel, and let's see, where is it? There was some other, oh, the fireplace channel. Kind of fun. So the couch looks rather stained, which doesn't feel great. And then this cushion is upside down. Let's see what's on the other side, if I dare look. All right, I flipped the cushion. I think this side's better. It's a little bit stained, but better. And we have a bar area. Look at this, we got a sign letting you know if you touch or move anything in the mini bar, it's gonna be charged to your room. I've always heard about that. I don't know if I've ever stayed in a place that did that. Here's the bar menu when you open that code. Notice the personal item storage fee, $65 to put your own stuff in the fridge. Look at this, what is this? Wow, what is it? Oh my gosh. Breaking things. It's the ice bucket. Why does it have like a lock on it? Weird. Anyway, so what do we got? We've got, oh shoot, a Keurig. Oh, okay. I'm saying shoot because when I stayed in Caesar's Palace, they had a Keurig but no pods, and to get the coffee you had to go to the gift shop and pay, you know, $24 for 4 Keurig pods or something. So it looks like, I'm not sure if this just means, oh yeah, inside coffee. Okay, so I've got at least a couple coffees in there. Oh, here we go. Stocked mini bar. Okay, and here is the bedroom. King size bed. Got the luggage rack, which is nice. I like this headboard. Look at this. Metal details here. Nice big bed. Plenty of storage, closet space. Oh, I got a robe. And slippers. Even W branded slippers. You've got an iron in there. This TV has no name on it. Okay. What is this? It's got somebody else's name written on it. Is that like a designer or something? I'm gonna get a complex about all this. Me not having my name on anything. All right. There's the safe. And then it has a nice little light and chair there. Okay, and here is the bathroom, the best part. Look at that! Yay! The room wasn't ready when I checked in and I had to wait over an hour, but this makes it worth it for me because I love a bathtub. Oh, I guess the water comes out of there. And then we've got a separate shower. Take a look at the products. MGM Resorts branded products. Okay. Pretty nice. And another little toilet closet there. Here's the view during the day. Look at how pretty those mountains are. I'm not sure if it will show up on the video.